Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am here with a review from EayonHair, okay? So I have reviewed this hair company a few times before and they just cease to amaze me. Baby, I got sent a Beyonce wig this time. Oh, girl. So this wig is already colored, so you do not have to worry about the hassle of coloring or anything like that. Well, it has like little highlights in it, high and low lights. You see the inside of the cap construction. You got your clips, well, combs rather, and this wig can be parted anywhere. As you guys can see, it's on my head. It fits great, and it is pre-plucked. I'm not going to be plucking this unit at all. A lot of times I'll be like, Erin, you make it look so easy when you do your wigs, because it is, child. So I'm just going to cut the lace off. I like to cut it a little jagged, but cut the lace off however you'd like. And I'm just going to be going in with a little bit of got to be and to lay my wig down. You guys know I'm not really like a glue lover, so I'm going in with a little bit of got to be. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with some mousse, honey. Take whatever kind of mousse you'd like, okay? And I'm just laying down the wig, laying down some flyaways. And not only that, I'm kind of molding my part. This is the best way to mold your part. You can go in with some water too. Water is good also. However, I just like mousse, child, because it just works. It's not hard on the hair, and then as it kind of dries, it gives you like that nice bouncy flowy look, and then you can go over with like a flat iron after it's dry and you get like that pressed out like look. I don't know, y'all might not know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I'm just gonna widen up my part a little bit, you know, make that part look a little bit more natural, girl. Ain't nobody part that skin, okay? So here we are with everyone's favorite part, the baby hair. So I'm not doing a lot with the baby hair, guys. As I told you guys, I did not pluck this unit at all, okay? So I am so happy that this unit came pre-plucked, and I know a lot of my followers are always looking for pre-plucked units. So this is definitely a unit for my girls who do not like to, you know, pluck or scared of over plucking. I'm just doing some just minimalistic baby hairs, just going around the hairline. I pulled out a few hairs, cut them with my little eyebrow razor, and I'm just going in and just swooping the hair a little bit. Not doing anything too dramatic, you know, nothing too much. I do like baby hair. I know a lot of people are like, Erin, do tutorials without baby hair, but baby hair is kind of my thing. Sorry about that. I don't know, just like it. So I am going in with this wax stick, which is very expensive, but yeah, if you'd like to try it out, then try it out. It's okay. It ain't really nothing to write home about, child. I have a more affordable option in the description below if you guys would like to try it out. It works the same. It's called like sleek edges or smooth edges or something like that. It's down below, but it just gives you that pressed look, you know. It's a little bit softer than that wax stick. And here I'm just going in and just, the hair is already like very silky, but from that box it has a few dents in it, so I'm just going in and flat ironing the hair. I was gonna cut it in like a bob, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna keep it long, child. I'm really feeling it long. Like this color is just doing something to me, like for real. Hey guys, what's up? Let's get right into these hair. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. It has a few different tones in it. It goes from like black to like a number 4 color to like a 1B, and then we have this blonde color like in the front. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really nice and it's pretty long. All the specs and everything will be down below, okay, because I'm not really sure of all the specs. So this is what the hairline look like. I didn't have to do any plucking or anything to the hairline. I just laid a few baby hairs. This wig is from Eayon. Eayon wigs, so I never have to do a lot of plucking because the wigs already come pre-plucked. I didn't even bleach my knots. Okay, so that's one thing that I didn't do. I just put a little bit of makeup in the part. I make the part wider and put a little bit of makeup in the part, and that is pretty much it. And this is what the wig is looking like. If you would like, you could go in and pluck a little bit more and customize it the way that you guys would want to customize it. This hair is very, very soft. When I first got this wig, I was a little nervous because it is already bleached. I have received wigs in the past where the hair is already bleached and it was actually damaged or whatever. So this hair is not damaged at all. Doesn't have a crazy smell or anything. Hasn't been like overly shedding or nothing like that. So whoever dyed it did a really, really good job dyeing it, well, bleaching it. Okay, so let me see if you guys can kind of see the different tones. So the different tones, and you can, this is a 360, so you can definitely glue this wig all the way around. You guys already know I never utilize 360 wigs just because I just don't. Like, I think 360s are more for people who are going to wear their hair like up in a ball. So yeah, I never do, but you can do that with this wig. You're able to put it down if you like. It also comes with a good amount of combs, so you can utilize the combs. This wig doesn't come with an elastic band. I don't think it does. Yes, it does. It doesn't come with an elastic band already in the wig, but it always comes with, I knew it did, it always comes with elastic bands and extra combs inside of like the box in case you want to add them. And also it comes with like a wig cap and like some little instructions of their social media. Okay, so if you want to add a elastic band and extra combs, you could, and you could make this glueless. Okay, because you know the elastic band and combs, that is what makes a wig glueless. Okay, so if you didn't want to like put it down with got to be or glue every day, you could opt to do that option, which I like, because sometimes when elastic bands are already in a wig, you know, it's kind of difficult because some people don't want them and some people do want them, so they just give you that extra thing in the bag. They just give you it in the bag just in case you want it and just in case you don't want it. Okay, so yeah, Eayon Wig Hair Company, they have fast shipping, and also they're very nice and they're very friendly. I would suggest you guys check out their company. I did quite a few reviews for Eayon Hair Company, like a lot of reviews for Eayon Hair Company. So yeah, I would definitely recommend their company. Let me know what you guys think about the color. I don't do color a lot, and I hate coloring wigs. Like, I hate it. It's just because it's such a process and it takes a really long time. But you know, I like receiving colored wigs because you don't have to do anything to them. So for people who are lazy like me, okay, you guys could opt to just buy a wig that's already colored. That way you don't have to, you know, bleach and worry about over bleaching and ruining your hair and things like that. All right, so if you guys are interested in colored wigs or any other kind of wigs, because they have a lot of different kinds, click down below. All the specs, links, all that jazz will be down below, along with their contact information. And yeah, let me know what y'all think about this wig, and I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you on the next video.